Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel if you're new here. If you're not new here, welcome back. I think you guys should really download Ford Pass if you have a newer vehicle that uses Ford Pass. As you know, I got a 2019 Ranger, and my phone alerted me at like 8 o'clock this morning, and my truck is sitting over there in the parking lot. And I'll show you what it did. So there's my truck. My phone alerted me on Ford Pass. There's a code in the restraint control module B1415-96. So I bring it up in PTS Oasis, 7:56 a.m. See the alert? Alert. Click on it. B1415-96. So if I go over here, workshop, go down here and find the code. B1415-96. Driver side restraint sensor 2 component internal failure. Go to pinpoint test AC. So I gotta find it again. 1415-96. Driver side restraint sensor 2 component failure. This DT sets due to a fault with the driver side B pillar side impact sensor or driver rear door side impact sensor. Scroll down. Replace the suspected impact sensor. Driver B pillar side impact. Refer to B pillar side impact crew cab. Position the seat belt aside, disconnect the electrical connector, remove the bolt, remove the B pillar side impact sensor. Obviously I got to depower the SRS safety restraint, supplemental restraint system. Mating surface must be smooth and allow for flush attachment to each other. To install reversal removal procedure. Repower it. And that's basically the sensor right there. So with that being said, I went ahead and ordered a sensor for my truck. It'll be here tomorrow, but I'm off work tomorrow, so I'll do it on Thursday. So if you have a newer vehicle with Ford Pass, download it. It'll give you vehicle alerts if something's wrong. My airbag light's not on, but it will be. So I'll fix that on Thursday. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Love all of you.